Guys, I'm back. How's everyone? Just keep on winning. Regarding on my last video, guys, there are, let's say, negative reactions from the viewers and some subscribers. You don't know how much I spent just to show you this formula for free to help you guys. No charge. And skipping, the important thing is skipping all the losses. I am showing winning strategies just to escape losses. As you can see, there are no sides of losing regarding what I show you. But anyway, guys, here we go, guys. We are now on the scratch card experiment. Let's try if we can win the jackpot prize and some consolation prize. Guys, I just bought and I have 8 scratch card on my hand. Are you wondering why only 8? Or maybe you are wondering why just small card. Okay, guys, according to the secret strategy that I have researched, number 1, by the way, guys, this strategy are applied for all country and states. Okay, the main strategy, number 1, if the lottery outlet and the type of scratch card has not been win its corresponding jackpot price, you can ask the lottery seller the probability of a 100 pieces scratch card. There's a main prize on that 100 pieces waiting to be scratched. Okay, so there are some consolation prizes on that 100 pieces. Scratch card are instant. So on my end and my theory, for every 100 pieces there will always be a consolation prize and maybe some jackpot prize. On the second strategy, guys, if we win one of these lottery cards, the consolation prizes, we will buy it again till we hit the jackpot prize, or maybe just fail. This is one of my side experiment. Just stand by on my main lottery journey, the hitting the mega jackpot. You will love it, guys. I am sure you will really like it. Now here we go, guys. We will scratch one by one. So again, okay, okay. Okay, we'll cut. As you can see, we should just only match 3 corresponding price. Okay, 20,000, 200,000, 50. Okay, the first card just failed. No price, guys. Oh, Brilo. Okay, first card just failed. Okay, here we go on the second card. Guys, another field, number 2, just filled. As you can see, there are no 3 matches. Okay, let's catch the bonus part. Let's try again. Sorry, we'll proceed on third card.
Hey, look.
There we go on the third card. Bongko. Okay guys, this is the third card. Okay, still no price. Okay, let's try the fourth card. Come on, win.
Win with the losing.
Still we have no luck. Okay, we are now on the fifth card.
Papa, I don't know if it was.
Okay, 5,000, 5,000. Okay, just one hit. Okay, we are now on the sixth card. Still, we have no consolation prize. Okay, we are at seventh card. Okay, still we had no consolation prize. Okay guys, this is the last one. Maybe we have no luck regarding, maybe we have no such luck on this card. Okay, this is just an experiment. Okay, scratch this. Okay, okay. There you go guys, the last piece of card. As you can see, we don't hit even one consolation prize. Okay, now on my second experiment, we will proceed to another card. This is just 8 cards. We are not expecting to win any consolation prizes. This is very low. This is just an experiment. So again, my theory, I will try it to another type of card. This is called pot of gold. Okay, on the next video we will try another set of scratch card with the different game. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Thank you.